again, I will put the 1,6 and the 1,4 up here for your reference. If it helps, that's great. If not, get the general idea that they're bound differently. Okay, so I'm going to give you exactly what they've got in the book. I know I've got 5 over here. I'll add one just to make it. So they have 5 in figure 8.2. They have 6 in figure 8.3. At alpha limit dextrin just means that it's small enough that this bond, you can't break any more off because this bond is limited, right? You cannot get these two things from this. And that can be true if you have 3 circles on each side or 2 circles on each side. That will make more sense when I put this up. Sorry, that's totally confusing with all the circles. Okay, so to get Alright, so first we're going to bind to, I'll take a poll. Would you like me to write out the entire glucoamylase and maltase? Do you want me to write out the whole thing? Like the binding, or do you just want me to use the abbreviations, the sucrase?
Yeah.
Okay, so using the abbreviations, sucrase and isomaltase bind together when I say Si, and maltase and glucoamylase are Mg. Alright? So, we're going to bind to, okay, so 1, and then we end up with glucose plus, and that was a alpha 1, 4 bond. Okay, so 2, we'll do it again. Okay, so far we've only used a 1,4 bond break. Okay, so bind to sucrase isomaltase. This you will need to know. Which part of this enzyme breaks the 1,6? Isomaltase. Okay, isomaltase is the only thing that will break it. So then we get a glucose, right? Okay. Plus, and again, specific 1,6 doesn't matter. Breaks the strange bond. Okay, that nothing else can break. And I'll spell that out. Sorry. Okay. And then we're down to, we've got a maltotriose, right? And then we go from there. So then we can break, so sucrase binds to sucrase or maltase, which means now it's got 2 enzyme targets. And our last step. Oh, sorry, maltase. My name is Bride. Sorry, maltase. And we get glucose. Plus. Okay? And then we're talking transporters. Once we get down to these monosaccharides, we can take it in. Until then, we're just doing digestion. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture of all of this. I'm going to go through one more time.